Who's this? Pardon me? Pardon me? What was that? Yes. Did anybody hear that?
Number 3.
Okay, so who's this? William McCloskey, number 3 from Sutton, Ontario. Is that who it is? All right. All right. Drop the flag. Come on. Give her. Come on, Willie! William McCloskey! Any relation to Gil McCloskey? Those McCloskeys? No? There's a lot of McCloskeys around. Come on, Will! Woo! Yeah! Beautiful! Keep going, bud! What are you waiting for? Come on! Keep going! Keep going, buddy! Well, they got some, I can see the technique here, and it's actually working. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. All right. Come on. Go, Will, go. Come on, buddy. Let's get down to the turtle. Come on, pal. Hey, kids, how you doing? I haven't been down here for a while. Come on, Will! Go, Will! Go! Wow! Dude! Fire it up! Yeah! Go! Come on, hey, man! Yeah, buddy! Where'd he go? Will! Will, get out of there! Hey, Will, get out of there, man! I don't know. Hey, Will, you're done. But you know what? You are, is he in first or second? First place? All right. Go on, TJ, buddy, you got this, pal. You got her, buddy. Come on now, Keep going. Keep going, TJ. Give her, bud. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna ride the left back. Oh. I don't know if he did it. Did he do it? I don't think so. We got a new winner? Yeah, we got a new winner there, TJ Bartman. He's all right. Way to go, Riley. Okay, buddy. We'll wait till you're all the way across.
You guys want to step back a bit, please?
Him and his brother.
You guys want to step back, please? Step back.
Come on, buddy. Let's go.
Behind the line.
Wait, he's got the horns on the front of this thing. He's all horned up, ready to go. On a Saturday afternoon in Mansfield, Ontario at the Silver Willow Classic. Come on, buddy! All right, that is Mark Waitman. Holy, come on, Mark. We might have a new winner. I don't know, it's gonna be close right here. On down. You're the next contestant at the Silver Willow Classic Mud Bog. Come on, Victor. With the rooster! Go, Victor, go! Come on, buddy! There, get going, buddy.
Right over here. Come on.
You can do it. Oh yeah. If I drop the hammer at $10 here right now, how many wives out here are going to kick their husband in the shin and say, "Are you kidding?" 15. Now 20. 15 to here about 20. Here now 85. You guys both done? You both done? You're done. He's looking at his girlfriend, reaching into his pocket. There's no money there, bud. What? You're at 75. Now 80. I just count the number of times. I'm half. Okay, I got 50, 55. 50 was Skinny. 55, you got your hand up. Now 60. 60. Come on, Skinny, get up. Sold right over here for $80. Way to go, buddy. You know what? I tell you what. I take all the cash right here, man. That's the best way to do it right here. 2 people? Could you 2 people that clapped for the pit crew please run around while you're clapping and make it sound like a crowd, because nobody else wants to clap. Folks, let's hear it for the pit crew. Come on now.